Yes, sir, it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gains. So it's game time, guys. I told you guys in the previous videos, I did believe AMC was ready to make a nice run on today, guys. A nice enough run to get everyone's attention right back on it. Because a lot of people expected it to go way much lower than that pullback to the low $13, $14 area. And I believe, that was the bottom, guys. Not saying that I can't be wrong and things can't change at the blink of an eye, but just saying we do look like this thing is ready to actually have a real reversal, guys. Judging by the simple fact of all the times we came down to the $17, $18 range, $16 range on Friday, we didn't see any type of, bottom out tendency, showing us an indication where we have reached the bottom. To where we came down to those previous levels, we didn't see an increase in price action good enough to give us a nice indication that people was ready to eat up the prices, the cheap shares at those prices. But at 14, the low 14s, we did see an indication that a lot of demand is ready to eat up those shares, guys. And on today, as I was saying, we steady making higher lows. We came down to 1596 on this morning, giving us an indication that if we held up at that area, and once we had ran back up and we came back down, that was the last little pullback, but we still held up in the high 15s, that last pullback before ripping off the way we just did, guys. So now we got a few barriers in our way before we actually see a nice $10, $15 push. And those barriers, the next barrier is we just got through one of them at 1708. That was a resistance. The next resistance is at $18.32. We probably could run straight up to around 1830, 1840, but get stopped out. Once we get stopped out at 1832, we would have a little pullback. So just because we say we're running out, don't expect for us to just go straight up with no type of hesitations or no type of barricades in our way. We will still have many pullbacks along the way back up. But I do believe this is recovery, guys. We got another resistance at $18.32. Once we break through that resistance, guys, we'll be on our way to our last resistance at around $22, $23 per share, guys. $23 to be exact. Once we break above 23, we should be able to see a $8 to $10 move, guys, with AMC. So you already know, guys, like I told you guys, the turnaround is about to happen. Going towards the end of this month, going into next month, it's happening. What we had said right around January the 28th, around February the 4th, in between those dates, we don't want to put no dates exactly out there, because even though we know the markets repeats itself, is one big history book that's full of lessons that's repeating itself, because human nature doesn't change. We know, even though it's not to be pinpoint on exact dates like that, but just I just went ahead and let you guys know that was around the time I was almost 100% that this thing was going to turn around near those dates. Even if it's a little off, right around near those dates, it was going to we was going to see a game changer, guys. So also, other stocks that many are invested in are also rebounding ahead of Fed decision, guys, because I told you guys they cannot hammer the stock market down too much further. It's due for a huge pullback. A huge reversal as well, guys. So that's all we got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC, let you guys know the next bear case that's in our way, and we is on the run up, guys. So you already know what to do. Consider joining the family. We post over here every single day. Add me on Instagram. I love you. God bless you. And we gone.